These days, creating videos doesn't require a big budget.
With just determination and passion, you can produce excellent videos.
And even launch your own faceless channel, completely hassle-free.
And then of course we're gonna start right here on ChatGPT. We've got our prompt ready, so we copy and then we're gonna paste it right here on this website called Croc AI. So Croc AI will help us into generating the images, and then we're going to be turning those images into video right here on Croc AI. So what do you need to do? You click on this to generate. Already Croc AI has generated the images so that we can just select. So it has generated a lot of images so that we can have option to choose the correct image. So there are lots of them, as you can see, and some of them didn't come out very well, so there are some mistake. Then this one is actually perfect, so you can see that it has generated a lot of images. This one is also perfect, so you can just go through all those images and then see which one is actually the one that you can actually use to generate your video. Okay, so after choosing the perfect image, you just click right here to make a video. So our video is ready now. Let's just have a look. That's so perfect. Let's just turn this one also. Let's just click here to make a video also. Okay, so here is the result for the second image. It's also perfect, and then I just turn another image here also. Okay, so here is another image. So if you want to hear the sound, you click right here. Okay, that's great. And then you can also come here to download the video. So you can just do this until you are satisfied with the image that you have chosen. And then if you want to create the images again, you can also do that, and then until you are satisfied with everything. So this is how easy it is to create the videos using the Croc AI. Okay, so the next step is to put everything together. You can use your own favorite platform for the video editing. So I'm going to be using. All right, so now we are going to bring everything into Canva. All you need to do is to head over to the upload section and then upload all your files into Canva. Once that is done, you can start editing them exactly the way you want them. Arrange them to suit your style and your layout preferences. And another important step is to adding a music. You can find free music on platform like Pixabay. Just search for the music that fits your project, and you can also get sound effects from there. This way you won't run into any copyright issues with the YouTube policies. So you come here to search the specific song or the specific music style that you are looking for. Then it will generate, you will find a lot of music that are available in the platform to choose from. All right, so now we are moving to the next option after Pixabay. This time we'll use a website called Flexlip AI. It can help you to generate both music and sound effects. So whether you are looking for music with lyrics or just purely instrumental tracks, Flexlip AI gives you plenty of flexibility. You can also create a custom sound effects that fits your video perfectly. So this is a great second option to enhance your project. So you're gonna come here to the prompt. This is where you need to paste your prompt for your music, and then here you add the style. So there are lots of style that you can just choose from, so you can just go through them and then see if you are if you can find something that is related to what you are looking for. So I'm gonna just go with the rock. Okay, and then here you can just select the duration. Then you can just choose, say 120, so you can just add more up until 240 seconds. So I'm gonna just leave it on 120 on 120 seconds. And then on this side is the self-written lyrics. Click right here if you want to put your own lyrics here on this box. So you can just leave it off if you are not interested into that. So all your music will appear there side, and then you can just come here to download after you generate the music. Okay, so that's how easy it is to use this platform. We are back on Canva, and now that we have already added our background music and sound effects, our video is finally complete. The only thing that is left is to download it and share it with the world. It's polished, it's beautiful, and is ready to shine. So I'm afraid we came to the end of our tutorials, and then if you have enjoyed this video, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.
In the silence of the night we lie, whispers echoing where the lonely lies. Silence and noise dancing bright, a heartbeat quickens dreams to fly. We are the echoes of the stars, carried by the rhythm of our hearts. We're the force that ignites the dark. Together we move towards fire. Journey flow.